guys, we are inside now. Ashley is shooting the target at 10 to 15 yards on the M&P 9mm Easy. Yeah. You pulled it back?
Got it.
Now you just look through here and keep that lower and aim through the middle. A little lower. There you go. Lower. When that thing shakes like that, you hit the wrong thing. That was 8. Oh yeah. All right. So then what you do is, this is the button release it. You can push this down or pull it back and lower it.
What do I do with this? Just leave it open?
No, hold it, hold it. Don't put your finger on that trigger. Push this thing down here. All right, then pull it back. All right.
Can I pull it back when I'm ready?
No, you're ready. It's all ready. And what you gotta do is you gotta keep a grip on here, otherwise it won't. All right, because that's a safety also. You know how to do it.
A little scary, but
Bring back memories of shooting out my block.
yeah.
Actually, we can pull that in. See, when you hit that metal part,
Yeah.
it sprays down. That's what you're running down. Let me just send this down.
Maybe one other thing
Hi.
about your finger. I'm not saying you're doing anything wrong. It's just good practice to always do your finger control. You know,
It really is.
yeah. Stop that happening. That's all.
I'll shoot that. There's pens in the other one. Right up there, you got it right there.